Good evening and thank you for watching. I'm Cade Calvin. Last night we told you Chad Daybell had been sentenced to death. That follows his conviction of first-degree murder and other charges related to the deaths of J.J. Vallow, Tylee Ryan, and Tammy Daybell. We heard from prosecutors and law enforcement about the verdict. Tonight, we're hearing from family members of the victims. KPVI News that works for you, Inglet reports.
Rexburg is a beautiful town. Boise is a beautiful town. Idaho is a magnificent state. They don't deserve this blemish.
But for the last 4.5 years, a national spotlight of tragedy has shone on the Gem State. What started as 2 missing kids in Rexburg quickly became a triple murder investigation and a very complex case. The 2 people accused of starting it all, Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow Daybell, have now faced justice. Last year, Lori was convicted and given multiple life sentences. And now, Chad has been sentenced to death on 6 different charges. Colby Ryan, JJ and Tylee's brother, says it's hard to feel good about capital punishment, but it is good to have a conclusion.
It's a weird feeling. You never wish harm on anybody, regardless of what they've done to you. But at the end of the day, it's good that he can't hurt anybody else, and that's what matters.
Tammy Daybell's family also feeling bittersweet.
Her mom passed last year, and those were the last years of her life, knowing that her daughter had been murdered. So today is a sweet justice for us.
We'll miss Tammy every single day of our lives, but we do have some comfort knowing that we will see her again someday. The hardest part I think about all of this is our family has lost a brother, but in the process of it, we've almost gained an entire family. We've gained Tylee and JJ's family.
While getting justice won't bring their loved ones back, Colby says it can help them move forward.
The number one thing is focus on healing. I think this concludes this chapter of this part. We have to live with the fact that we're not going to have the people we love in our lives anymore. But I want to honor them by how I live, and at some point I want to tell their stories.
The families thanked the prosecutors, judge, and law enforcement for their hard work and dedication to the case. And one of Tammy's brothers also had a special message for the jury.
I always thought I understood and appreciated our legal system and the specific role the jury of our peers played until being put into this unique position. Truly, thank you. I hope that you all are able to get the necessary support and therapy that you may need to process what you've seen or heard. Living it for myself and for all of us who are victims, it has been burden enough. Please do not carry that burden for us on your heart.
JJ's grandparents, Kay and Larry Woodcock, also thanking the prosecutors, law enforcement, other victims' families, the media, and the public, who they say have all become like family.
I want to thank everyone here, everybody that's watching, all the support, the emails, the texts, the messages, all these things we get, social media. Everybody's support is how we have gotten through this.
I hate to say goodbye. I truly mean that. It's not goodbye, it's until we meet again. So, as I said a long time ago, turn out the lights, the party's over. They say that all good things must end. Let's just call it a night.
Tammy's family said anyone who would like to honor her can donate to the Tammy Douglas Daybell Foundation, which works to increase literacy by providing books to children. You can find more information about the foundation on this story at kpvi.com.